Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. While other EV brands are going up market, the Volkswagen Group is moving down market with the Volkswagen brand. Thus, we have the new Volkswagen ID2 All concept that aims to sell for under $26,000 and should launch before 2026. It will be as spacious as a Golf but cheap as a Polo. It will ride on their new MEB Entry platform and will be front-wheel drive. The concept features a 222 horsepower motor up-front, allowing a 0 to 60 in under 7 seconds with a 99 mph top speed and around 280 miles of range on the WLTP cycle. The design is their most normal-looking EV yet, ditching the frumpy bubbly looks of the ID3, 4, 5 and even the bus. Here it also returns to tradition and it fits well. Inside is also a more welcoming space with a 12.9-inch touchscreen, a redesigned HVAC panel with illuminated button, a sleek retro-inspired steering wheel, and sustainable seating materials. Guys, what do you think about Volkswagen ID2 All concept? Please leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button too. Thank you.